Plug example, dairy, please pick up the plug for me. Dairy, please pick up the plug for me. Charger, please pass me the charger. Please pass me the charger. Outlet example. The outlet is broken. The outlet is broken. Switch example. Turn on the light switch. Turn on the light switch. Cord example. The cord is too short. The cord is too short. Battery example. The battery is dead. The battery is dead. Remote control. Remote control. Example, I need a new remote control. I need a new remote control. Light bulb example. The light bulb is burned out. The light bulb is burned out. Lamp example, I need a new lamp for my desk. I need a new lamp for my desk. Fan example. The fan is making a strange noise. The fan is making a strange noise. Television example. I watch TV every night. I watch TV every night. Refrigerator example. The refrigerator keeps my food cold. The refrigerator keeps my food cold. Microwave example, I heat up my lunch in the microwave. I heat up my lunch in the microwave. Toaster example, I toast bread for breakfast. I toast bread for breakfast. Blender example, I use the blender to make smoothies. I use the blender to make smoothies. Iron example, I iron my clothes before I go to work. I iron my clothes before I go to work.